Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're looking for a professional-grade resin 3D printer capable of producing massive, highly detailed models, the ELEGOO Jupiter 2 Resin 3D printer is one of the most exciting new releases in the large-format MSLA market. But is this machine really worth buying? What do all those impressive specifications actually mean in real-world printing? And why is the Jupiter 2 attracting so much attention from makers, designers, engineers, and miniature creators? Let's take a closer look. The biggest highlight is its enormous 302.4 by 161.98 by 300 millimeters build volume. That means you can print large cosplay props, helmets, statues, engineering prototypes, or multiple smaller models in a single batch. Instead of splitting a large project into several pieces, you can often complete it in one print, saving time and reducing assembly work. ELEGOO states this provides roughly 2.5 times the build capacity of the Saturn IV series, making it ideal for high-volume production or oversized projects. Print quality is another standout feature. The Jupiter 2 uses a 14-inch 16K monochrome LCD with an impressive 15,120 x 6,230 pixel resolution and an ultra-fine 20 by 26 micron XY resolution. In practical use, this allows extremely sharp edges, smooth surfaces, crisp textures, and excellent fine details whether you're printing miniatures, collectibles, jewelry masters, or functional prototypes. One feature that immediately improves the user experience is the automatic leveling system. Rather than manually adjusting the build plate each time, the printer uses multiple force sensors to automatically achieve an accurate first layer. Since the first layer is critical for print success, this feature helps reduce setup time and increases consistency between prints. Temperature control is another smart addition. The built-in heated resin tank automatically maintains the resin around 30 degrees Celsius, helping improve resin flow and layer adhesion. Stable resin temperature often leads to more consistent print quality, especially in cooler environments where resin normally becomes thicker. The Jupiter 2 also introduces an intelligent automatic resin feeding and recycling system. It works with a 2-kilogram resin bottle, automatically adding resin whenever the tank level drops and returning in used resin after printing. That means fewer interruptions during long prints and less manual handling throughout your workflow. Monitoring large prints becomes much easier thanks to the built-in camera. You can watch your print remotely, create time-lapse videos, and keep an eye on progress without constantly opening the printer. Combined with Wi-Fi connectivity and cluster management, multiple printers can be monitored and managed more efficiently, making the Jupiter 2 attractive for professional workshops and print farms. Maintenance has also been simplified. The printer features a quick swap release film system, making FEP replacement much faster than traditional resin vats that require removing dozens of screws. The modular LCD design also allows easier servicing if replacement is ever needed. Safety and reliability are supported by the smart mechanical sensor, which detects resin residue, low resin levels, and leveling problems before they become major issues. Combined with the enclosed light source, this helps deliver more consistent exposure across the entire build platform while protecting important internal components. So why is the ELEGOO Jupiter 2 generating so much excitement? It combines an enormous build volume, extremely high 16K resolution, automatic leveling, intelligent resin management, heated resin technology, remote monitoring, and professional workflow features into one machine designed for creators who regularly tackle large, highly detailed resin prints. Whether you're producing collectibles, prototypes, cosplay pieces, demo models, engineering components, or commercial production batches, the Jupiter 2 offers capabilities normally found in much more expensive industrial equipment. Overall, the ELEGOO Jupiter 2 represents a significant step forward in large-format resin 3D printing. Its combination of automation, precision, and large-scale capability makes it a compelling option for serious makers and professionals who want to print bigger while maintaining exceptional detail. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.